In this video, I'll show you how to pay someone on Cash App without verification. Now, let me be very clear right from the start. Paying someone on Cash App without verification is not possible beyond very limited features. Cash App allows basic usage without verification, but if you want to send payments freely, increase limits, or avoid payment blocks, identity verification is required. So if your payment is failing or you're being asked to verify, the only real solution is to complete the verification process. Here's exactly how to verify your identity on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're inside the app, go to your Profile or Information tab. From there, enter your account information section and scroll down until you see Security and Privacy. Tap on that option. Then scroll down a bit more until you find Identity Verification. Tap on it to start the process. Cash App will ask you to confirm personal details that only you would know. Enter the required information, then provide your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. After that, you'll be asked to enter your current address. Once everything is filled in correctly, it will show that your details are verified, and you can press Done. Next, Cash App will ask for a photo ID. Press Continue, and take a clear photo of a valid ID. This can be a driver's license, state ID, US passport, or permanent resident card. Upload the photo and wait while Cash App checks it. After that, you'll be asked to take a photo of your face to confirm your identity. Press Continue again, take the photo, and wait for the verification to finish. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message saying your identity is verified. At that point, your Cash App account will be fully verified, and you'll be able to send payments without issues. Since Cash App involves sensitive financial information, it's also important to protect your privacy online. For extra security, you can use NordVPN to keep your connection encrypted and your data safe. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.